morning, crafty friends. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to share with you a swap that I had with Archana Joshi. If you're not familiar with her, she has a store called craftycity.com. And if you love shabby chic, you're absolutely going to love her store. So you're going to want to check her store out. I'm going to put her links down below so you can also visit her YouTube channel because she makes some absolutely amazing projects and she also makes gorgeous Pomeranian flowers. So let's get on into it because I'm so excited. I've had this for a few days and I haven't been able to open it because I've been so busy doing live shows and getting prepared for them that, I haven't been able to open this and it's been killing me. So let's get going. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous, Archana. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the back. Let me show y'all real quick. So part of our challenge was to make a base for our love letters. And is this not gorgeous? Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. And she put some goodies on the inside. Oh my goodness. Look at these flowers. These are absolutely gorgeous. And she put in these cute little cards. Oh my goodness. I love it. So pretty. Lovely confidence breeds beauty. That is gorgeous. These envelopes are too stinking cute. I love the little bow she made. That is adorable. And she sent me some different laces and stuff by Pebbles. Love that. Just gotta love pink. And I don't know if she knew this, but lavender is absolutely one of my most favorite colors. And look at all this detail. Look at the little butterfly there. So beautiful. I love the laces. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the velvet flowers. Here's another butterfly. Oh, there's 3 butterflies. Oh my goodness. See, so you just got to like check things out. And then she has some more little ephemera cards stuck in here. This paper collection is gorgeous. Oh, wow. She's got a beautiful lace doily in here. Amazing. It is absolutely gorgeous. And look, we have this little keyhole. Oops. Okay, sorry. So sorry. We have this gorgeous keyhole, another butterfly, and absolutely beautiful, stunning laces. Gosh, Archana, you outdid yourself. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh, these are adorable. And you know what, Archana? I thought you made these. I thought you made the bows. These are so cute. They're called My Prima Planner Flower Embellishments. That is so cute. And I like how you even have a little card so that you can just stick it right on in your planner. And then I think she told me, here we go. So she turned it around. Oh, wow. Thank you so much for all the goodies. Oh, wow. Look at these beautiful shabby little ribbons. Just beautiful. Ooh, looks like more Prima flowers. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Archana. You outdid yourself on this. It is gorgeous. And then she gave me some more. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. They're like little planner cupcakes. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I've never seen these. And here we go. Here are some ornament floors. Love these. They're like vintage clocks. Really pretty. Thank you so much, Archana. Everything is absolutely stunning. And thank you so much for doing the swap with me. It has been so much fun. And let's see what we got here. Oh, she's got even more. Oh, I love it. Confetti. Ooh, I love it. So cute. Oh my gosh, these planner clips are precious. I love, love, love. And look at this little card here too. So beautiful. Oh, she sent me a little metal keyhole too as well. Love it. Oh, she sent me 2. Thank you so much, Archana. I love, love, love it. And thank you again for doing the swap with me, guys. And I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. I will see you all tomorrow as I'm doing a live show on Photoplay paper Facebook page. So I hope to see y'all there. Bye, y'all. Bye. Mwah.